Hey, Q, that looks like you.
J-Box, that looks exactly like you, man. These things are hot. Oof, oof.
Oh, TVO kids, welcome back to the space. You're hanging out with Kara. It's Monday, and we're starting Sports Week with J-Box and Q-Mac, and beatboxer and basketball freestyler. We actually have a question from a TVO kid. Hey, Ibrahim on the phone. Hi, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
What's your question for Q-Mac?
What's your favorite trick in basketball?
Do you play basketball?
Yeah.
Oh, do you? And do you practice a lot?
Yeah.
Awesome, Ibrahim. So what's your favorite basketball trick,
Ibrahim,
Q-Mac?
that is a fantastic question. My favorite basketball trick, it's called the super skyscraper. J-Box, you know what I'm talking about.
Fantastic.
I take a basketball, I spin it on a pen, I put the pen on top of not one, not two, not three, but 4 broom handles and stack that up to the ceiling. We've got a basketball spinning about 10 meters in the sky, and then, if that's not enough, I balance the end of it on my little pointed beard. It helps with the balance. You know what? On December the 14th, I'm gonna set the Guinness Book of World Records for the highest basketball ever spun at the Rico Coliseum. You can check out ultimateclasstrip.com for all the details on that one, Kara.
And that's where you're both going to be performing?
We're both going to be there throwing it down live.
Amazing. And what kind of sports tips would you have for TVO kids? They're, starting basketball or any sport. What would you say to them, Q-Mac?
I would say, don't limit yourself just to one sport. You never know what you're going to be good at until you try that new skill. So try basketball, baseball, hockey, gymnastics, soccer, swimming. Try a few things. You know what? Even the best sports athletes in the world, Michael Jordan, Wayne Gretzky, these kind of guys, I'm telling you, today we got Ovechkin and Crosby. They don't just play one sport. They like to play golf in the summertime. I've seen these guys in the bowling lanes as well. As long as you're physically active and having fun, that's the main thing.
Sounds great. Physically active, having fun. It's Sports Week. Do you want to give us another taste of what you do? All right, TVO kids, call in for a Pillars of Freedom ending. But up next, Making Stuff, and J-Box and Q-Mac, take it away.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. 3, 2, at the base.
The Space